In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Atlassian account in Trello in 2025. Whether you're shifting to a new platform or simply looking to declutter your online accounts, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. First off, you'll want to go to Trello's official website, which you can reach by typing trello.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've landed on the homepage, the next step is finding the login button. This is typically located in the upper area of the page. Clicking it will prompt you to log into your Trello account. You have a couple of options for signing in. Either use your email address associated with your Atlassian account or connect through your Google account if that's what you've set up. If you're using the Google option, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account to avoid any hiccups. After you log in, your Trello dashboard should appear. Now that you're in, let's find your account settings. Look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or initial there. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select Manage Account. This link leads you to a different section outside of the Trello dashboard, your primary Atlassian account settings. In this account management page, you'll see a host of options related to various settings. What you're looking for is Account Preferences. Clicking on it will take you to another page that focuses more on the personal details and privacy settings of your account. The next step is spotting the Delete Account option under those preferences. It can sometimes be tucked away, so be sure to scroll down if necessary. Click on Delete Account when you find it. Now to delete your account completely, you'll need to click on Delete Account again. The repeated confirmation is there for your own protection, ensuring that you're absolutely certain about this decision. Trello, like many online services, gives you this chance to reconsider. Lastly, just to triple check, you'll probably be asked to confirm once more before the deletion is processed. Keep in mind, this step permanently erases your Atlassian account, meaning you'll lose access to all linked services, not just Trello. Make sure you've saved any data or boards you wish to keep before completing this step, as recovery is not possible afterward. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you should be able to successfully remove your Atlassian account from Trello. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to check out Atlassian's support resources. They offer detailed guides and customer support options to assist you further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.